So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Brain with Ideas, and my name is Ramandeep Singh, and today's topic will be based on the formal or informal words that we commonly use in our writing task 2, but we have to avoid this time. Like the first formal word is in the nutshell. Guys, what we can use instead of in the nutshell, like we can use in conclusion to conclude. So guys, the next word is a couple of. A couple of is also informal word. So what we can use instead of a couple of, we can use several, because guys, I have a notes for you, so I am going to explain one by one all of them. So guys, how can we use a couple of in writing task 2? But we have to avoid a couple of, we have to use several. Like in a couple of countries is informal, but if we use in the several countries, if we make over sentence like this, so it's formal. Guys, as you can see here, or you can take screenshot, the left one is informal and the right one is formal. So over third one is lots of, and a lot of is also informal. So what we can use many or much, like many children's. But if we use lots of children, it's informal, but it's okay in speaking section, but we have to avoid it as we can improve our writing task 2 and avoid informal words. And our next one is you, your. Avoid these two words, you and your. Do not write it your writing task 2. Like the example is, you can clearly see the result. You can clearly see the result. This is informal, so we have to use the result can clearly be seen. We can use like this. And our next couple of words are like a phone, a photo, a fridge, info, a unique cop, ASAP. So these are also informals. So what are the formal words? If we don't want to use these all, so guys, check it out here. If we want to use a phone, use a telephone, or a photo, use a photograph. In a fridge, use a refrigerator, or in a case of info, use information. Never use shortcut in writing task 2. Next one is uni, a university, a cop, a policeman, ASAP, as soon as possible. So guys, right side of the words are formal words. So our next one is so on or etc. This is also informal. Like example, public transport in London includes tubes, buses, trains, and so on or etc. Informal. So what we can use? We should use full stop, then so on or extras. Like public transport in London includes tube, buses, and trains. Full stop. Never use so on, etc. in writing task 2. And the next one is idioms. Idioms. It's not idioms, it's idioms, because it's also informal. You can use one of them, but avoid it, because today's topic we are discuss about informal or formal things, so use formal things. And next one is get. As we all know, I get money. If I say I receive money, this is more informal. Like we can use obtain or receive. Never use get in this case. And the next one is give. So very, bad, big, find out. These are also informals. So what are the formal words then? We can use provide instead of give. Like this chapter provides or presents an overview. And the next one is so very. So what we have to use? We can use it is extremely important instead of use it is so or very important. Next one is bad, means poor or negative. A bad result is wrong. A poor negative result is right. Next one is big, a big sample. a big sample, a big building. This is informal. What is formal? A large sizable sample. Large is formal. And our last one is find out. We can use discover instead of find out. Actually guys, you can here find out, big, bad. So what you give all of these informal words in your listening, and you can speak these all informal words in your speaking, because it's okay in your speaking but it's not okay in your writing. So avoid them, eliminate them guys. Actually these are all the words which you have to practice on it by speaking, by writing. It's up to you. You can make your writing tasks to more better, more stronger. And we will meet in our next video with different topic, and stay tuned. Peace out.